Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm putting these two products up against each other. It's going to be Meguiars Scratch X versus Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. So both of them, I guess, do the same function in which they repair small scratches in the paint. And yeah, we're just going to be putting them up against one another. Obviously, with this test, it's almost impossible without robots to have it perfect. So essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to scratch this part with this wire brush here. So as you can see, have a listen to this. Oh, that makes me cringe. So essentially, yeah, I've done I think 4 or 5 strokes on each panel, each section that I've marked out, and we're going to use Meguiars Scratch X on one of them, and then we're going to use Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew on the other one, and see which one holds up better. So just having a look at this section here. So this is going to be where the Meguiars Scratch X is going to go. So there's a couple of chips in the paint that wasn't caused by the wire brush, but I'm just looking for scratches here. There's a couple scratches there. There's one big one on the top right, which we'll see a bit later. But that is that side. So over to the Turtle Wax side. So this looks to be okay. See if we can pick up any scratches here. So again, some chips in the paint. I think there's some scratches there on the left-hand side, so we'll have a better look at it. But basically with these two, oh yeah, you can kind of see the scratches there. Basically with these two products, yeah, more scratches. So basically with these two products, they're about the same price point. So they're about $20 each. They come in the same size bottle. So essentially they're very similar in terms of bang for buck. But yeah, as I said to you, it's very hard to get an identical test of how these are going to work. So as you can see with the 2 sections that I've marked out, they're inconsistent scratch. Like that looks like a deeper scratch than anything that Turtle Wax is going to have to do. So it is very inconsistent, but it's just a bit of fun just to put these 2 products to the test to see which one I prefer to use, and just kind of go from there. So I'm just trying to get it in the light there so you can kind of see that scratch that I was talking about over on this side, over the Turtle Wax side. Yeah, you can see the scratches there on the left-hand side where it's been marked out. And there's that big scratch there on the top right of the Meguiars side. So, yeah, let's see how we go. So let's start with the Meguiars. And basically what we're going to do, I've used this product many times. One of my favourite products, to be fair. I've never used the Turtle Wax, so this will be the first time I use it. So obviously we just rub it in and buff off with the microfiber cloth. And now we use the Turtle Wax. The Turtle Wax says to go in straight line motion, so that's what I'm doing. I'm not going circular motion like I did with the Meguiars Scratch X. And just going to buff that off. Now we can see that I buffed this off a lot more than the Meguiars. It was a lot harder to buff off than the Meguiars. The Meguiars was a lot easier. So in terms of ease of application, we're probably giving that to the Meguiars. So let's see what that's done. So have a looking at the Meguiars section. That looks like that's come up okay. I can't see that big scratch that was there in the top right corner. Let's have a look. No, can't see it in the light. No, can't see it. So that's done a really, really good job. Yeah, I'm trying to find it, can't see it. So that's got rid of all those small scratches there, which is very good. So over to the Turtle Wax side. And we're going to have a look and see what scratches we can find. So we can see some residue there. Again, it was very hard to buff. I was buffing it off so much and I could still see some residue. Oh, there's some scratches there that I've identified. Okay, so that's not come off completely. Still some more residue there, you can see. And a couple of scratches there as well. Okay, so that's not come off, but again, not look my preferred method, which was to go in straight lines and I'd rather, you know, really rub to dilute the scratch. So let's see what we can do if I put it in circular motions. So again, not touching the Meguiars side, I'm happy with that. There's no scratches there that I can see. And again, we're just gonna buff that off. This time, yeah, pressed a little bit harder, went in circular motions. Let's see if that's made any difference whatsoever. All right, let's have a look. Get the light out. Oh, there's still some scratches there. Okay, so yeah, not really as good as the Meguiars, I'll be honest. Okay, yeah, I still prefer the Meguiars Scratch X. You can see on the Meguiars side, there's nothing really there in terms of scratches. Oh, a couple. No, that looks fine. They're just paint chips. So, yeah, of the two, and again, this is just a bit of fun. This isn't a real comparison because it's almost impossible for me to do a comparison like this where we do identical scratches without using a robot. If someone's got that robot, hit me up and I'm happy to do this again. But I'm gonna have to give the win to the Meguiars. So yeah, if I'm choosing one product, it's the Meguiars. So thanks for watching, guys. If you did like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps a small channel like me on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So we do want to get monetized so I can give you some better content. I can invest in a robot to accurately put these two up against each other. Thanks for watching.